Kinongilam ka kinhon Achik Conscious Holistically Integrated Krima Achik hak artarik ujiliu kalai kendo iulat kejela CH Vijayashankar Haraj Bhavan Shillong ban Dawa ban Pynurlong no okloi ban kenti ke Tura kum ka Nongbah Tlang jong ka Meghalaya ka bedang sa pong ding haduk mentah. Hadin bakalai kendo iulat u Adam R. Sangma General Secretary in Charge Field and Operation Adam R. Sangma ulai thu ikinong thok Khubor da ka baong bagani ke jingdawa Nongbah Tlang ke Tura kalong ban pen priang ki kampen roi shi ki kendong kenchrot jong ki district Karilom Garo. Nalor kata ulong ru kemba kalong menta ki pai ba na Rilom Garo ki sngo bekimyo renti ki jing penroi hagajela bak kidang sngo bi don shibun ki jingduna. Uloong ru ha ka sinsyar yakit ya ba lang dei banyo renti lang barok ke jing mentoi. Uloong ru ka Tura ka dei ka shnong ka badon ka history ka balamat pangbon ki rai ha ka sinsyar khadar ha ki por balala. Ula penpau de bandra e ka secretariat bat assembly marshak happening ka Shillong bat Tura banyo e ka sinsyar khadar ka bapaka ya barok lang. Da kini ke jinge penbet ki pai ba na kilom garo kinyo e ka bishar khadar ka bahok kila aban ot da ka basuk bat kintare ru ye ki jing mentoy na ki kampen roy marshak barok ka we ka jela. Ki officer ki badon ha ka por Tlang ha Tura kila aban pen Stet ki jing pentre ye ki babun ki kampen roy ha kilom garo ula penkut.
Today, we met our Honorable Governor and we submit our memorandum in various issues like winter capital and influx control and border vigilance issues and codification of Garo Khubor and next operational and funding augmentation for Captain Williamson Samla State University and functionalization and expansion of Khuborjylla Airport. And last one, a demand for new Dadingri districts. So we submitted this memorandum to our Honorable Governor. So today, our issue we have submitted to our Honorable Governor. So we will be discussing about various issues. One of our friends will be discussing.
Tura, located in the westernmost part of Meghalaya, and also when we look at the map on the satellite or anywhere, you can see how it is isolated from the rest of the Meghalaya. So there's a lot of problems for the people. In simple, if I say in simple terms, there are a lot of problem for the people in terms of connectivity. Yes, we are connected by Meghalaya itself, but it is very far. And Shillong being the headquarter of the state, the capital of the state, often our people finds very difficult to reach here. Say for example, for some official works, we have to reach to Shillong, but the road is very far. It's very far. And see, recently we came to Shillong to submit a memorandum to the governor. We supposed to take Guwahati road because Guwahati road is closest to us. If you come to Nongsteng road, it is very far. I think it's far. It's more far. I think. So, excuse me. So by saying that, what I want to point is that even when we look at the geographical location, we are very isolated from the headquarters, the administrative capital of the state of Meghalaya. So by making Tura as the winter capital or second capital, we are bringing the people closer to the governance. We are also decentralizing the governance for the benefit of the people, because every people living in a state having a unique identity must have equal value. No one should feel alienated. No one should feel marginalized. So in order to overcome these issues, we have to consider and we have to take steps for declaring Tura as the winter capital. In saying that also, we should not look at the financial constraint in the short term, but we should try to think beyond that. We should think the future the progression, the benefit that we will receive as a state, Meghalaya as a state, Meghalaya as a state as a whole. So, in saying so, there are certain points, but yeah, we will give you the some documents which you can refer for your own, that one. So, with this talks, I want to let the people also know that our demand is very genuine, and it is not the demand of our Achik organization or any other organization, I should say. But this demand, this issue is the issue of the people, and the people have understood this, and they have said already that this is my issue, this is my right. So we will stand for this, and we will do what is required to do, and we will see the future progression of our state and for the people of our